let's see if I can do baking soda pickup with this DC35 multifloor in one continuous long and boring take. Now the sand pickup was terrible at 3%. So that's just the way the brush roll is. It doesn't dig into the carpet. So I'm really hoping that the baking soda test we pick up 30%, 40%. I mean, something. It's got to be more than 3. So let's see what happens. And I'm going to try not to stop the camera because that means I have to go and edit stuff, and that takes more time. So initial weighing, empty bin, 510.6261. I'll give it a second. All right, I'll say 510.62. That's good enough. 1/100th of a gram variance. Well, that's just what you got to expect once in a while. Okay, 510.62. I've got my guide blocks over here. Move the light over. A little more light. Light is good. Gotta put the DC35 back together. And we are going to run it on high. And I'm not gonna go this way with the vacuum because the head is just so small. It's gonna be difficult to get the kind of concentration that I'm looking for because this head is just so tiny. There's our 10 grams. Now it's gone. Here we go. 10 full passes. Okay, that's 10. I gotta move you back over. So we started out at 510.62. Hopefully we get something neat. More than 3%. That'd be great. Yay! It actually got something. That's fantastic. Okay, so fine dust, not bad. All right, not bad. So let's see, 510.62. Let me make the math look nice. 516.72 minus 510.62. All right. So this does a nice job now. So we are at 6.1 out of 10 grams, and of course that means that's an easy to calculate 61% pickup. All right, that's nice. So yippee, we finally actually have something that in a medium pile carpet, this DC35 does actually manage to pick up. It's not really good for sand, but for baking soda, definitely in good shape. Let's see, I wonder, what is it going to be when I try to extract the baking soda from there? So that's the total cyclonic pickup. Let's actually see what it does when I extract it from here. So, got my little capture sheet here. See how carefully I can do this. You know some is going to still remain in the top of the cyclonic assembly, but still, let's see what we can get. Okay, I think that's probably all anybody would really do, especially for this kind of debris. And got a little bit of fuzz when we get out of there. Not much. Okay, this isn't too bad. So let me collect that, put it in the tray. See what we have. I always love doing this stuff upside down. Stop that. Okay, good. Now we're stabilized. So what did we get from extracting it from the bin? All right, so Dyson has some really good cyclones that separate the dirt from the actual bin. We've known that, we've seen that, especially with the newer machines. So we were at 61%, and right here, as you can see, that's 5.73 grams out of 10, so that's 57.3 actually coming out of the bin. So that's really good. So I'm really happy to see that result. So 57 or so % coming out of the bin, and then the entire raw capture 61. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.